Hello, and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's English is slow, clear, and easy to follow. Emma is looking for a new apartment near her new job. During the apartment tour, the landlord tells her something interesting. The balcony is not the reason people rent this place. That makes Emma curious. And maybe it will make you curious too. So here is today's listening question. Why does Emma want this apartment? Listen carefully. The answer appears later in the story. When you know the answer, write it in the comments. Writing helps you practice English and remember more. And stay until the end, because we'll also review a few useful English idioms from today's conversation. Now, let's begin.
Hi, you must be Emma.
Yes, that's me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thanks for coming today.
Thank you for meeting with me.
No problem. Did you find the building easily?
Yes, I did. The train station was easy to find.
That's good to hear.
The neighborhood seems nice.
A lot of people like this area.
I can see why. It feels quiet.
It is quiet, but you're still close to everything.
That's exactly what I'm looking for.
Great. Before we go inside, let me ask you something.
Sure.
What was the first thing you noticed in the photos online?
Probably the balcony.
That's what most people say.
Really?
Yes, most people think the balcony's the best part of this apartment.
Is it not?
It's nice, but that's not why people rent this place.
Oh?
You'll understand later.
Now I'm curious.
Good. That means you'll pay attention during the tour.
I was already planning to pay attention.
Fair enough. How long have you owned this apartment? Almost 10 years.
That's a long time.
I've seen many tenants come and go.
Do people usually stay long?
Some do. One tenant stayed here for 5 years.
5 years? That's impressive.
Another stayed even longer.
That sounds like a good sign.
I think so.
I recently started a new job downtown.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. My current apartment is very far away.
Long commute?
About 90 minutes each way.
That's a lot of time.
It is. I'm hoping to find something closer.
Well, let's see if this place is a good fit.
Sounds good.
Ready to take a look?
Absolutely.
Great. This way.
I'm looking forward to seeing it.
Welcome in. This is the living room.
Oh, wow.
Is that a good wow?
Definitely. It looks bigger than the photos.
I hear that a lot.
The photos made it look smaller.
Photos can be a little tricky sometimes.
I guess so. This feels much more open.
The large windows help.
They really do. There is so much natural light.
That's one of my favorite things about this apartment.
The photos look darker online.
They were taken during the winter.
That explains it.
We get a lot more sunlight this time of year.
I can tell. It feels bright and comfortable.
Let's take a look at the kitchen.
Sure.
Here it is.
This is nice.
Do you cook often?
A few times a week.
Then you might like the extra counter space.
I was just noticing that.
There's also a lot of storage.
That's important to me.
What do you usually like to cook?
Mostly simple meals. Pasta, soup, and chicken dishes.
Sounds practical.
I don't enjoy spending hours in the kitchen.
Fair enough.
The appliances look newer than I expected.
Most of them were replaced 2 years ago.
That's good to know.
Have you looked at many apartments already?
A few. This is the fourth one.
And how does it compare so far?
Honestly, it's near the top of my list.
That's nice to hear.
It feels more comfortable than some of the others.
Comfortable is a good word.
I'm trying to imagine living here.
That's exactly what you should do.
So far, it's easy to picture.
That's a promising sign.
It is.
Any questions about what you've seen so far?
Not yet.
Most people start asking questions around this point.
Actually, I do have something on my mind.
Go ahead.
I'd like to understand the monthly costs a little better.
That's a very smart question.
I want to make sure everything fits my budget.
Of course. Let's talk about that next.
I'd like to ask about the monthly costs.
Of course. That's an important topic.
I know the rent is listed online,
That's right.
but I want to understand the full cost.
A lot of people forget to ask that.
I don't want any surprises later.
That's a good approach.
Are utilities included in the rent?
Some are, and some are not.
Could you explain?
Water is included.
Okay, that's helpful.
Trash service is also included.
Good to know.
Electricity is separate.
I expected that.
Internet is separate as well.
That makes sense.
Some tenants also choose cable TV.
I probably wouldn't need that.
Many people just stream everything now.
That's what I do.
Then you probably won't miss it.
How much is the electricity bill usually?
It depends on the season.
Of course.
In spring and fall, it's usually quite low.
What about summer?
Higher, especially if you use the air conditioning often.
I understand.
Most tenants pay somewhere between $80 and $120.
That's not too bad.
Internet is usually around $50.
That's about what I pay now.
Then it shouldn't feel very different.
Are there any other monthly fees?
Not for most tenants.
That's good.
I prefer to keep things simple.
I appreciate that.
Some apartment buildings have many extra fees.
I've seen that during my search.
It can be confusing.
Yes, sometimes the rent looks low at first.
Then the extra costs appear.
Exactly.
That's why it's important to ask questions.
I'm glad I asked.
Any other concerns about monthly expenses?
Not monthly expenses.
What are you thinking about?
There's one other cost I haven't asked about yet.
Let me guess.
The security deposit.
Yes, that's usually the next question.
And I have a feeling the answer might surprise me.
Well, let's talk about it.
So let's talk about the security deposit.
Sure. What would you like to know?
How much is the security deposit?
It's equal to 2 months' rent.
2 months' rent?
That's correct.
Wow, that's more than I expected.
I understand. Many people are surprised at first.
I was expecting 1 month.
That's common in some places.
Is there a reason it's 2 months here?
Yes, the building has had the same policy for years.
I see.
It helps cover possible damage or unpaid rent.
That makes sense from the owner's side.
Exactly.
Do tenants usually get the deposit back?
Most do,
That's good to hear.
as long as the apartment is in good condition.
Normal wear and tear is okay?
Yes, normal wear and tear is expected.
That's fair.
We try to be reasonable.
Have many people complained about the deposit amount?
Some have,
I can understand why.
but many tenants stay for several years.
Really?
Yes, one tenant stayed for 5 years.
You mentioned that earlier.
That's right.
They must have liked living here.
I think they did.
Did they get their deposit back?
Every dollar of it.
That's reassuring.
Good tenants usually have nothing to worry about.
I'm a careful tenant.
Then I wouldn't be concerned.
The deposit is still a big amount of money.
That's true.
I'll need to think about my budget.
Of course. Take your time.
I'm glad we're talking about this now.
Better now than after signing a lease.
Definitely.
Anything else you're wondering about?
Actually, yes.
Go ahead.
There's something important I haven't mentioned yet.
What is it?
I have a cat.
Ah, that's important information.
And whether pets are allowed could change everything.
Then let's talk about that next.
So, tell me about your cat.
Her name is Luna.
How old is she?
She's 4 years old.
That's a good age.
She's very calm.
That's always nice to hear.
Honestly, this is one of my biggest concerns.
The pet policy?
Yes.
Well, the good news is that cats are allowed.
Really?
Yes, absolutely.
That's a relief.
You look much happier now.
I am.
Were other apartments not pet-friendly?
A few of them were not.
That must have been frustrating.
It was. One place didn't allow pets at all.
That's becoming less common these days.
Another place allowed cats but charged a very high fee.
I understand. What is the policy here?
There is a small pet fee. How much is it?
$25 per month.
That's actually lower than I expected.
Most people find it reasonable.
I was worried it would be much higher.
No, we try to keep it affordable.
That's good.
We have quite a few residents with cats.
Really?
Yes, and a few with small dogs as well.
Luna would probably like it here.
Is she an indoor cat?
Yes, she spends most of her time sleeping near the window.
Then she'd probably enjoy all the sunlight in this apartment.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Sounds like Luna has already approved the place.
She might be easier to convince than I am.
Fair enough.
So far, everything has been better than I expected.
I'm glad to hear that.
The apartment is nice.
Thank you.
The location seems good.
It is.
The pet policy works for me, too.
Then what's still on your mind?
I always think about what happens after I move in.
What do you mean?
If something breaks, who takes care of it?
That's an important question.
I'd like to know how maintenance works here.
Let's talk about that next.
Before we finish, I have one more question.
Sure, what's on your mind?
If something breaks, who do I contact?
You contact me directly.
Really?
Yes, I handle most maintenance requests myself.
That's nice to hear.
For larger repairs, I work with local contractors.
How quickly are problems usually fixed?
It depends on the issue,
Of course.
but urgent problems are handled very quickly.
Can you give me an example?
Last winter, a heater stopped working.
That sounds unpleasant.
It happened late in the evening.
What did you do?
We had someone there the next morning.
That's impressive.
People deserve a safe and comfortable home.
I agree with that.
Good communication makes a big difference.
It really does.
Well, we've covered a lot today.
We have.
The apartment,
Yes.
the utilities,
Right.
the deposit,
That one was a surprise.
and the pet policy.
Luna will be happy about that.
There's just one thing left.
The balcony?
Exactly.
Earlier, you said that's not why people rent this place.
That's right.
I've been wondering about that all day.
Then let's step outside.
Wow.
Nice view, isn't it?
It really is.
But the view isn't the reason either.
Then what is?
Do you see that train station?
Yes, right over there.
It's about a 5-minute walk from here.
That's very close.
Most of our tenants work downtown.
Just like me.
Exactly.
How long does the train ride take?
About 5 minutes.
Wait, really?
Really?
So I could get to work in around 10 minutes?
Easily.
That's incredible.
That's why people stay here.
Not because of the balcony.
Not because of the balcony.
I'd save so much time every week.
That's what most tenants say.
I think I finally understand
Understand what?
why people don't want to leave this place.
Now you're seeing what they see.
This changes things.
In a good way, I hope.
Definitely in a good way.
Glad to hear it.
Hey, Emma, how did the apartment viewing go?
Honestly, it went really well.
That's good to hear.
I wasn't expecting to like it this much.
So it looked as good as the photos?
Better than the photos, actually.
That's always a nice surprise.
Definitely.
Tell me everything.
Well, first, I looked around the apartment.
And?
The living room felt much bigger than I expected.
That's a good start.
The kitchen was nice, too.
Sounds promising.
Then I asked about the monthly costs.
Smart.
Water's included, but electricity and internet are separate.
That's pretty normal.
That's what I thought, too.
What about the security deposit?
After that, we talked about the deposit.
Was it reasonable?
Not exactly.
Uh-oh.
It's equal to 2 months' rent.
That's a lot of money.
It is.
Did that change your mind?
For a moment, yes.
I can understand that.
But then we talked about something important.
What's that?
My cat.
Luna?
Of course, Luna.
Is she allowed there?
Yes, cats are allowed.
That's great.
There's a small pet fee, but it's not bad.
Luna would approve.
I think so too.
Anything else stand out?
Yes, we talked about maintenance.
That's important.
The landlord seems very responsive.
Good landlords are hard to find.
That's true.
So what's the catch?
That's the funny thing.
What do you mean?
At the beginning, he told me something.
What did he say?
He said the balcony wasn't the reason people rent the apartment.
Now I'm curious too.
I spent the whole tour wondering about it.
And?
Finally, he showed me the real reason.
Which was...
The location.
Really?
The train station is only 5 minutes away.
That's convenient.
And the train ride to my office is about 5 minutes.
Wait, that's only 10 minutes total?
Exactly.
Your current commute is what, 90 minutes?
Around that.
That's a huge difference.
It would give me so much time back.
So let me ask the obvious question.
Go ahead.
Are you going to rent it?
I think I am.
Sounds like you've already decided.
Maybe a little.
When would you move in?
Next month if everything works out.
That's exciting.
It is.
And what does Luna think?
She doesn't know yet.
Give her time.
I'm sure she'll love the sunny windows.
Then it sounds like everyone wins.
I hope so.
Congratulations, Emma.
Thanks, Lucas.
I'm happy for you.
I think I found my new home.
Great job listening all the way to the end. You just listened to a real-life conversation about viewing an apartment, asking questions, and making an important decision. Before we finish, let's look at a few useful expressions from today's story. 1. Good to know. Emma used this expression when she learned new information about the apartment. For example, water is included. Good to know. Native speakers often use this phrase when information is helpful or useful. 2. That sounds reasonable. Emma used this when she heard the estimated utility costs. For example, most tenants pay between $80 and $120. That sounds reasonable. This phrase means something seems fair or acceptable. 3. A good fit. Mr. Brown said, "Let's see if this place is a good fit." A good fit means something matches your needs well. For Emma, the apartment was a good fit because it was close to work and allowed cats. Now, let's go back to today's listening question. Why does Emma want this apartment? Write your answer in the comments below. Even a short answer helps you practice English and remember the story longer. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more slow, clear, and relaxing English stories. And if you'd like to support more videos like this, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening. Take care, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next story. Happy listening!